In this video, we will take a look how the customer's input can be also shown on the order confirmation email. You can see here, nothing is shown. This is a sample order, but you can see actually in the respective order here, there was some text submitted, some customization details. Now we have to do the following. First of all, we go to apps, open up our Textify app. Once it is opened up, we will go to the left side, snippets. We will scroll down to see show content on the order confirmation email. We will again click the copy icon. Now it successfully copied. We have to take on settings, scroll down to notifications, customer notifications. We will click on that. And we can see here order processing, order confirmation. I will click on that. And we can see here how the template will look like. Now we have to do the following. We have to click Edit Code button. Now we have to click inside use the Command F on Mac to get the search functionality here. I will search for the variant. Now we can see we will get here after the end if. You can see this is the block where all of the variants are inside. And right away after this end if, we will make some space and paste here the code we have copied. Now we can click the Save button and make a test order to see how the next email will look like and if it's included. So now we will make this test order. Here is the customization we added. I will click Review Order, Complete Order. Now it's came true. We'll now check the next email we will receive here. And you can see successfully that the text is now also overtaken inside this template.